Today, today the 29th. We down to the last few days of 2023. Wow, I can't believe it. This year, this year is almost over. Well, it is over. Wow. So I woke up this morning feeling like going for a walk in nature. I haven't been in a couple days. I haven't really been as consistent as I usually am. So I'm about to go walk. I'm off today, so I'm going to walk. That's when I feel like I am the closest to God when I'm in nature. I feel like it's just something about being in nature that is so soothing for me. I have always loved walks in the park, being outdoors, playing outside. Like I love all of it from a child to now, and I still love it. And so I just feel like going on a good walk. I'm gonna take y'all along with me today. We are down to the last few days of 2023. Today is the 29th. We only have a few more days left. So hopefully everybody is being intentional, getting ready for the new year, I know everybody, a lot of people start planning to do things in the new year, like, going to the gym, eating better, or whatever you choose to do. Don't let nobody stop you from doing what you want to do, because I know like social media love to talk about don't go in the gym getting them folks way, don't set no New Year's resolution. Baby, do what you want to do. This your life. Do what you want to do, because one thing about a fresh start, it always feels so good and refreshing. Like I don't care, like it's something about a fresh new start, a fresh new beginning. So take my advice and try to be intentional about going into the new year, setting goals, setting intentions. Whatever you didn't accomplish this year, maybe you could put that into the new year and try to accomplish it next year. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to get into it. Yeah, quick moment, right quick. Yeah, I done had these shoes for years. These shoes so Yeah, these shoes so old. These shoes probably got like 1,000 miles on them. For real. I done walked so much in these shoes. Look, let me tell you how these look. I actually have several other pairs of these shoes. Probably like two or three more pairs. Probably like three more pairs. And I just love this shoe. I don't know why. I still pick it up. Like it's the first shoe I pick up. Listen, y'all hear the rocks in it. This shoe got rocks all up in it, but I love this shoe for walking. I don't know. It's just, I don't know, when something work, it just work. Lord. Alright, let's go. My car says 37 degrees. I don't mind walking in the cold. I'm really used to it. Usually in the winter times, I walk with my son, like right after I get him off to school. So I'm really used to walking in the cold. It really don't bother me. Last night, my mama, when I told her I was probably gonna go for a walk this morning, she's like, "What you gonna do on your day off?" I was like, "I'm probably gonna start off with a walk." Well, don't go out there in the cold because the flu and the so-and-so going around. And I'm just like, baby, they don't scare me. It don't. Like, I don't want to get sick, don't get me wrong, but that doesn't stop me from walking. But I understand her. Shout out to my mom. I love you, mama. I understand her concern, though. So, yeah. Let's get to it. It's drizzling, but I think it done kind of stopped. It was like drizzling my whole way here, but it like it done kind of stopped. So yeah, I'm about to get to it. Let me check the weather. Alright, so I checked the weather, y'all. It is 39 degrees. Alright, so don't look like we got no rain in the forecast. So I'm in the clear. I'm good. It's just cold, but nothing that I can't handle. So yeah, I'm good. Let's get to it.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost everybody I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around.
All my little favorite sceneries at the park blocked off. Let me see what this about. Caution. Walking trail closed for tree trimming with sidearm. Do not enter trail due to dangerous conditions. Oh. Like, back off up in here is like my favorite scenery, but I was gonna show y'all. I ain't about to go up in there though. Like somebody done moved the little cone over and went on through there, but I'm not about to do that. I'm gonna just turn around and go back. Sometimes God redirects us and we gotta listen. When God redirects us, we gotta listen. See, obviously, it look like some people might have went on through. They moved the cones and went on through anyway. You gotta pay attention to the signs though. You gotta pay attention to the signs. I said caution. I ain't about to do it. Sometimes, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, excuse my shoes. As I showed y'all, these shoes old and they do squeak a lot. I don't care. Y'all, I know, hopefully y'all can still hear the message though. But what I was about to say was, I ain't gonna act like I'm perfect and don't take risk. I'm not trying to bash people that do it anyway. You know, like see signs and still do what's on their heart to do. Because it could be a sign and it may just not even be for you. And when you do it and you come out good on the other side, it's like took a risk and you accomplished what needed to be accomplished. So I'm just not about to do it today, just simply because I feel like it's God. I definitely feel like God telling me, you know, go back, turn around. You know what I'm saying? Don't keep going this time. And so that's what I'm about to do. And I'm 13 minutes in on my walk, so I'm gonna just go back this way and take y'all with me. So yeah, let's go. It's definitely raining out here. I'm about to get my butt to the car. I was gonna try it, but I'm not gonna try it. I am not trying to get sick. It's cold and it's raining. At least I got to move my body a little bit though, so we about to get back to the car.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood.
It's cold, y'all, but we did it. We did it. We hit the 30-minute mark. I would have went longer than that, but it's cold and it's raining. I already told y'all my mama warned me about the flu and all that. Even though I ain't scared of that, I just know what this type of weather can do. So I ain't about to play around with nature. I ain't about to play around. You calling in a meal for 2024, huh? I like that. I heard that. She said she gonna turn it into $2 million. Yeah, I like how that sounds. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you be optimistic about going into the new year. Set them intentions, baby. Let's go. Got to. Alright, so I just finished my little walk. It was dope. It was cold though, but it was cool to get out and move. Like, it's always good to move the body. I think the body really appreciates that when we move it a little bit more and get a little bit more active. And you ain't even really gotta go to the extreme for real. You can just take small baby steps. Do 30 minutes, do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like for real. And I have not been as consistent as I want to be with my walking. So I'm gonna try to keep my word this time and be more consistent and get out and go for my walks. But anyway, I'm about to get ready to head back home. Cause these kids at home and they probably up and ready to eat or ready to do something. So yeah, let's see what today brings. I'm expecting magic today. So let's see what today brings. So let's go. We about to go get us some Mexican. I got my boys with me.
I heard the mission man. Yeah. And I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven and this could be hell. Woo! Then she lit up a candle and she showed me the way. They were busting down a corridor. Thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Always room here for the lonely.
Guys.
To watch a broken make a losing you.
Yes, yes. Let's go. Let's go.
I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon.
It's cold in GA today.
It's too pretty
You
fat.
better cover them ears up. Hello. Hey.
Okay, don't hit that car.
Right. I'll let the
Oh my mom showed it. Look.
That's how you think it's gonna be.
Look, I literally see it happening.
Thank you. Have a good one. All right, y'all. Let's go. Thank you. We back home. We been out. We been to the mall. I took the kids to GameStop to get some more little things that they had to get. Y'all know our boys are with their games. So we did that. We went to eat Mexican and went to the Cheesecake Factory. We had a good little outing today. And my boys, my son and my stepson. And we had a good time. I really enjoyed them. And then I stopped in by Dunkin' Donuts and got some donuts. Probably too much sugar, but you know, we just enjoying the holidays. And I really enjoy being with them so much. But kids just bring you so much joy, like for real, for real. Until they get on your nerve. But you know, when they get on your nerves, you just tell them, look. Nah, but yeah, today was a good day. Today is what this is, the 29th. We almost at the end. We winding down to the last few days of 2023. I'm like, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe this year really went by fast to me. Like, I don't know. It just went by super fast. And you know something I just heard on the radio? The guy on the radio, they were talking about like their New Year's resolutions. One guy was like, he don't make New Year resolutions. He make promises. And he was saying that somebody told him, because he was saying, oh, you know, like the promises he wanted to make for 2024. And he said he wanted a better relationship with his kids. and he was saying how, you know, life be lifing. So he said somebody told him, yeah, life be lifing, but you gotta life harder, or you gotta life back, or something to that extent, something like that. And I was just like, you know what, that's right. You know, we do say, I catch myself saying a lot how life be lifing. But that's true. Life do be lifing, but we gonna life back. Okay, we gonna life back. So for anybody that's, you know, we all dealing with stuff, we all go through stuff, and we all go through things. Like, we human, we gonna go through stuff. Like, that's just part of it. That's part of the life journey. But baby, let's life back. Life gon' life, and we gonna life back. Okay, y'all?
Yo! No!
So good.
Dude, Larry Stone.
Who on the mic? Who on the mic? What's up? Check in.
So you can see people inside walls?
Hey, who on the mic? Check in.
Nah.
Who on my team on the mic?
You never
Happy New
wanna
Year.
talk to me.
Oh, who did that? El Chapacorn.
Mom! I'm not.
That dog on chicken obsession, must like he must think I look like a chicken wing or something. He been killing me all day. I must look like a chicken wing.
Bro, this
You
gun
tryna-
is trash.
Hey, chicken obsession. I must look like a 2-piece and a thigh or something.
Bro, can chicken not say
Hey.
talk, bro?
Oh,
Oh, heck no, bro. What the?
I ain't killed nothing this round.
How you like dog?
Oh shoot, I be hitting square trying to reload.
Shoot! How do you? Oh, that's on the real color.
I was sneaking up on somebody. Somebody killed my hand.
Man, I'm a better sneaker than you, bro. I sneak behind people, like.
Potato Girl want to be the enemy so bad, bro. It sound like y'all getting whooped. Right. Come on. Let's go.
And my gun is still like that.
He changed layout.
Look.
Yeah, get that one. You like that one? You can add a scope. You have to out. Well, you have to wait till we go back out. Good morning, y'all. So it is December 30th. I know my face is like super puffy, but I just woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and got ready for my date with God. In the mornings, I come in the closet and have what I consider to be dates with God. It just be my time to pray, write. I write a lot. I have a whole binder. I used to write in a journal, but I'm left-handed, so journals don't always work out for me because of how we write as lefties. So I realized that using loose leaf paper and a binder works perfect for me because I can just pull the paper out and write my life away. And so I am journaling, praying, spending quiet time with God this morning. It's like I said, it's the 30th. These are the last few days of 2023. We are on the countdown. Excited to see what we do today. I'm sure my husband gonna want to take the kids somewhere, spend a little time with them. We had a good time yesterday, me and the kids. And I just went in my son's room and saw him in the bed with my stepson. And they really been bonding a lot. My stepson doesn't live out here with us, but he's spending a few days with us for the break. I realized that it made me really emotional. And I was like wondering why, because lately I've been trying to pay attention to my emotions and my feelings and process them. And so I was like wondering why. And I realized that I was truly happy for my son and my stepson that they have each other. But I was really happy for my son. He's the youngest. And just to know that he have a sibling that'll be there for him, that he can call, that he can, lean on, even though they are different in age, but he's still somebody that'll be a part of his life forever, while he's on this earth, while they are both on this earth. And I realized that, I literally realized that, I do have siblings, I do, but we didn't grow up together, in the same household and stuff, and we aren't as close as I would really like for us to be, but I do have cousins as well that I grew up with. But I think the main reason I got emotional is because I didn't have a sibling in the house with me. I don't know what it feel like to really have a sister or a brother that you grow up with, that you can call on, that you can spend a lot of quality time with. I spent a lot of time growing up with my cousins. They were more like my siblings, and they still are. I have two girl cousins that are like my sisters that I love dearly. But I don't know, it just made me get a little emotional, and sometimes you have to think back on why you feel certain ways that you feel. And for me, I truly believe that that's it. I for so long, people be asking me why I don't have another child. And I always say, well, I'm the only child. And I turned out fine. I'm my mom's only child. I have sisters and a brother on my dad's side that I love. I love them too. We're just not as close as I would love to be, but I still definitely love them so much. They're still my siblings. I was just thinking about so I would tell people, well, I'm the only child, so I think I turned out fine. And people would be like, you need to get that boy a brother or sister. We do have his brother. It's just his brother don't live with us. And I'm just thinking how sometimes being the only child, how growing up the only child, you kind of, I don't know, it's hard to say, but it's almost like it's like this human connection that you kind of miss out on. You miss out on it. You do. You miss out on what it feel like to have somebody, I don't know, in the house with you, other than, it's just me and my mama, but that human connection, that I don't know what it feel like to have that, but I'm sure for him in that moment, it was almost like I put myself in his shoes, I felt like a kid when I seen him laying in the bed with his brother. So I feel like it meant a lot. It meant a whole lot.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the egos? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could.
I'm putting these on today, so if I do a few videos, I'm not gonna be squeaking as bad. These got a little less miles than the blues I had on yesterday.
Show me, yeah, if you show me, yeah, if you show me, yeah.
It's cold again. One of them kicked in like a friend, baby. And my truck warm up. My phone say 37 degrees. Yeah, I usually be walking in my sunglasses. Sun ain't really been out a lot. That don't really stop me though. I still be putting my glasses on. You know me, then you already know. Like I'm gonna put the shades. I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna put them on, baby. I'm gonna put my hater blockers on. I got my hater blockers on, so how you gonna stop me now? How they gonna stop me now? I got my hater blockers on, so how you gonna stop me now? Hey, I got my hater blockers on. Got my hater blockers on. I got my Okay, y'all. The walk is complete. I told her 32 minutes. Something I heard from a YouTuber out here named Mina was how she did hard things that are uncomfortable for you. Like, she did those things in small time periods. So, say if, like, you haven't went to the gym or you haven't done, I don't know, maybe you haven't been consistent with your morning routine, or you haven't been consistent with whatever you know you could be more consistent with in your life to help better your life. She started doing those things in smaller time periods. So, for instance, if you do want to start going to the gym and you haven't been in a while, but you know you used to go consistently, maybe you could start going in like 15, 20 minutes a day. Or if you, like me, want to start walking again and haven't been walking in a while, or you want to start running again and you haven't ran in a while, instead of like going out there and just killing yourself and doing like a whole hour, maybe start with 10 to 15 minutes. And so that's why you see me setting my watch at 30 minutes, because it has been times where I will walk like for an hour and a half, or just longer than 30 minutes. But now I just do 30 minutes. I do 30 minutes. And the more you be consistent with doing those 30 minutes, for one, with you being more consistent, you just gonna start building a habit, and you will eventually feel yourself feeling better. You will eventually see yourself accomplishing goals, whatever that may be for you in your life. But I just wanted to share that because somebody else may need it, to start doing the thing that's uncomfortable for you, and do it in smaller time periods, but do it consistently, and then you will see like a change in your life for whatever goal you have, whatever that may mean for you. I mean, I'm not gonna act like I'm 100% consistent in what I do, because I'm not. I'm just not. I fall off, and it happens. Like I tell y'all, like I've been saying, I give myself grace, but then it's like when I see that I need, when I don't know how to say this. I guess when I'm like, when I feel my body changing, when I feel different inside my body, I'm in tune with my body, and like I be knowing it's time. You need to get up. Like, for real. When I fall off and I start getting lazy, it's like my body knows and it tells me, and I'll ignore it 100 times, and then maybe by that 101 time I get my ass up and I do what I gotta do. So I just want to encourage somebody to, if you feel like you fell off the wagon, or if you feel like you haven't been consistent or didn't stick to what you said you was gonna do, just start back doing it in smaller time limits, in smaller time periods, and hopefully you will see the change. You will see a better outcome for yourself. Fit check. Fit check. I want to give you some love. Baby, fit check for the camera. Okay, I'm about to be ready to go.
Y'all ready?
About to go on an outing with the fam bam. See how this go. My boys. Hey, boys. What up, little boy? What up, little one?
Kim got the witch hat.
The boy is fresh. The boy is fly. And I cannot lie. So is mama and daddy. What up, daddy? What up, daddy? All right, they hungry, y'all. We about to go eat. Because they hungry. I'm hungry, too.
Keep watching.
Papa those for the win. We about to go eat. Because we hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day, so I'm like starving.
We say you don't know you want to come out? What you like on the seafood side? You like catfish? Y'all really?
You like shrimp? Oh. So good. Like, I'm gonna play Call of Duty.
Ghost.
And I be whipping ass on Call of Duty.
Ma, you know
So-
children are rushing on there.
They done heard ass before. So, I'm excited. Because I be winning.
You know why that.
Like Rambo in the bottom. Come on now, fool. Nigga, I really had to reload. Come on now, fool. I'm Rambo on the bottom. Come on, man. Oh, he camping. Somebody trying to go there. Oh, man, ankler. Get back.
Morning.
Stabber! Shake!
Yeah, I'm just sitting here thinking. I was just about to get ready to journal a little bit. for tonight, but I'm just like, it's the last. We down to the last few days. Well, we just got tomorrow, and 2023 is over. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm like so excited about a new, fresh start. It's just something about a fresh start. I love a fresh new beginning. It's something so refreshing about it. I don't know, 2023, 2024, I'm just really, honestly, 2024, I'm excited to see what God gonna do, like, for real. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all. I don't really have any big goals, any big dreams, any big nothing. I just want to see what God got in store, real. I do want to, of course, be more consistent with doing things that I know are good for me. But I really want to see what God can do. This is the year. I just want to see what God gonna do. I'm just, and I'm excited about that. I'm so excited about that. Woo, we about to be on the countdown. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Wow. 2023. We finna be saying bye.